the order of operation PEMDAS. Therefore, first we have to do parentheses, then our exponent, multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Okay, remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. Okay, we have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression there is one subtraction here, one addition, one multiplication, and one division. According to PEMDAS, this multiplication has higher priority. Okay, because remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. Then we have to work from left to right. Okay, therefore we have to do this first. 4 times 3, which is 12. Okay, 12 we divide by 2, then 7 minus 5 plus 12. In this expression there is one subtraction, one addition, and one division. Therefore, this division has higher priority because division comes before addition and subtraction according to PEMDAS. 12 divided by 2, which equals 6, then 7 minus 5 plus 6. Remember that addition and subtraction has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. Therefore, we have to do this subtraction first. 7 minus 5, which equals 2. 2 plus 6, which equals to 8. This is the correct answer of this problem. Okay, therefore the correct answer of this problem, which equals to 8.